Hey guys, welcome back to Sahith Teaches, and in this video we're going to be setting up Jquery Mobile in a different way than we did in the last video. In the last video we set it up using a CDN, but in this video however we're going to be using a zip file that we're going to download from the Jquery Mobile website, and we're going to be downloading Jquery. And the advantage of this is everything will be saved locally in your computer, so it'll be easier for you to level up instead of it being hosted on a CDN. But the advantage of a CDN is that it is faster for your application. That being said, let's get started. So the first step we want to do is we want to head over to the Jquery Mobile website so we can download the zip file. So if we go over to Google, Jquery Mobile download, on this, and if you have trouble finding this, you shouldn't, but if you do, I will have all the links in the description, but finding these should not be hard at all. So we're going to see the zip file. So you wanna, the very first link here, not this download builder, take the latest zip file. So you want to click on that. So that's going to download our zip file. Sorry. So we're going to show in folder. So here in our downloads folder, we want to extract it. Extract all. Browse. And I'm just going to make a new folder where I'm going to store this. So I'm going to call this Jquery Mobile. I'm just going to call it Jquery Mobile. And this is going to be in our project folder, which I called mine Cordova Test. And we worked all that in the previous videos. So save them in your project folder so it'll be a lot easier for you to link it to your main index.html. So we're going to create this folder, and I'm going to select that folder and extract it. Wait for this to send it to our new folder. Alright. So now here in our Jquery Mobile folder, we have our files here. For now, we need to copy our Jquery 1.4.5.css, our Jquery mobile 1.4.5 JavaScript, and our .mins. I'm gonna copy that. Let's just paste them here. Alright, so now we want to organize our files. So let's take the two CSS files, cut them, put them in our www folder under the CSS, paste. Likewise with our JavaScript files, cut, undo, that, cut, and our www, put it under our JS, and paste here. So now we have our files linked up. So now the last part, we need to get our Jquery file. So we need to get Jquery 1.11.1. So push that right here, click on the second link. Again, if you have problems finding this, all the links will be in the description. So right here we have a Jquery 1.11, and we need to get the min.js. So this one. So open link a new tab, or open it, and here we have all our code, all the jQuery code that we need to copy. So Control A, copy all this. Just select all and then copy this. Go back to our code here, and then on JS, you want to create a new file. Save as. I'm gonna just paste the code first. I already created the jQuery 1.11.1 min.js, but for now I'll just delete this file and I'll save this as this jQuery. Try to save it with this file name, so you know what version and you know what you're talking about. Don't just save it some random JavaScript name. So file save as .js jQuery.min.js. Save this. Here we have it like that. And now we're done with downloading all the folders, all the files that we need. So now we need to just link it up in our HTML. So for the first one, what you want to do is we're talking about the jQuery.mobile min.css. So if we're talking about CSS, we want to call the CSS folder. So we just simply do CSS / the file name you're talking about. In this case, we're talking about the jQuery.mobile-1.4.5.min.css. Similarly, for the next file, the jQuery-1.11.min.js, we save that in our JavaScript file, in the JS file. So we'll call the JS file and then / our file name. Lastly, we're gonna call the jQuery.mobile-1.4.5.min.js. That's also saved in the JS file under the www folder. All the CSS, HTML, JavaScript, all of that is saved under our www folder. And if you're confused on the www folder and all these other folders, make sure to head to my previous videos where I explained all that and how we set up everything. But for now, we have linked all our files. All these files were from the previous videos, and the only 3 files we had to download are these 3, and we save these locally, so it'll be easier for us to use when we're in the developing process. So now what we do is we have saved our application. Save this. So let's head over to our actual application, refresh, and you see here we have the application looks the same because we have linked our code here. So that's it for this video, guys. Please give a like and subscribe, and in the next video we're going to be styling our app. Thank you.